Hi everybody, Dan the Man here. Rebecca's filming me. We're on the east branch of the Swift River with the Central Maine Gold Prospectors. We're spending the whole day here. We're going to find some color, alright? We'll be back when something good happens. Peace.
At it again. Hoping to find a flake or two. Really hoping to find more than that, but I'll get excited over a flake or two.
Central Maine Gold Prospectors right there. We've been working the same area. We decided to move along. That was a nice little leap he made there. I don't know if I could have done that. Them rocks